Today, I'm more consciously aware that we are never alone. Today, I'm more consciously aware that we are never alone. Today, I'm more consciously aware that we are never alone. Thank you all for tuning in to today's Daily Dose. This is John with 365. If there's ever a time that you are feeling lonely, in a place of despair, that there's no one out there, please do me a favor. Feel free to reach out to me. Reach out to a friend. Look in the mirror